Xpeng Aridge A868. The six-seat flying car entering flight tests. The Chinese tech giant Xpeng continues to blur the lines between automobiles and aviation. Its aerospace division, now operating under the Aridge brand, has unveiled the A868, a next-generation passenger eVTOL designed for regional air mobility. Unlike earlier two-seat drones, the A868 targets the aerotaxi segment, combining high passenger capacity, impressive range, and hybrid propulsion. The Aridge A868 features an elongated, aerodynamic fuselage equipped with short wings, stabilizers, and multiple rotors for lift and propulsion. Unlike Xpeng's modular land aircraft carrier, which pairs a flying pod with a wheeled platform, the A868 is a dedicated aircraft, built purely for air travel. It supports vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, eliminating the need for traditional runways and allowing operations in dense urban environments or compact heliports. The design emphasizes aerodynamic stability and efficiency. The hybrid propulsion system, combining electric motors with a small onboard generator, extends range beyond what fully electric eVTOLs can currently achieve. This approach addresses one of the main challenges in the emerging flying taxi industry: balancing battery weight with flight endurance. The cabin of the A868 accommodates up to 6 passengers, offering a balance between private flight convenience and shared aerotaxi economics. Aridge aims to make regional air mobility accessible not just to VIP users but also to small groups or families seeking time-efficient intercity transport. With its sleek panoramic glazing and quiet hybrid electric powertrain, the A868 promises a smooth and low-vibration cabin experience. Although the full specifications remain under wraps, preliminary figures provided by Aridge indicate that the A868 can reach speeds of up to 360 km per hour and achieve a range exceeding 500 km on a single fueling and charge cycle. The aircraft's hybrid propulsion architecture allows it to recharge in flight, significantly extending operational time compared to battery-only eVTOLs. The propulsion system likely includes multiple redundant electric rotors for vertical lift, combined with pusher propellers for forward thrust. Safety remains a key design focus. Aridge has confirmed multiple fail-safe systems, distributed power modules, and a ballistic parachute for emergency descent. While Aridge has not yet confirmed when the A868 will enter production, the project represents a strategic step towards scalable air mobility solutions. The company already made headlines earlier this month by launching serial production of the land aircraft carrier, a modular vehicle that combines a 6-wheel hybrid van with a detachable 2-seat eVTOL drone. That model reportedly has over 7,000 pre-orders, showcasing strong consumer interest in hybrid air-ground mobility concepts. With the A868, Aridge intends to move beyond experimental vehicles towards certified passenger operations. China's Civil Aviation Administration is currently developing frameworks for eVTOL certification, which could open the door for commercial air taxi services by 2026 to 2027. The Aridge A868 illustrates the fusion of automotive and aerospace engineering. Xpeng, initially known for its smart EVs like the P7 and G9, leverages its battery expertise, autonomous navigation systems, and AI-based flight control algorithms to create a new category of hybrid aerial vehicles. As demand for fast, emission-reduced regional travel grows, such vehicles may soon become a realistic alternative to helicopters and short-haul commuter flights. Aridge's approach also reflects a broader industry trend, transitioning from single-passenger drones to multi-seat, longer-range air taxis capable of servicing urban networks and intercity corridors. With the A868, Xpeng's Aridge division is positioning itself among the world's most advanced eVTOL developers. Combining high speed, extended range, and 6-passenger capacity, the model marks an important milestone on the path to commercial aerial mobility in China and beyond. Although full certification and pricing details are yet to be revealed, the A868's flight testing marks the beginning of a new phase in the evolution of personal and shared air transport.